one. Do need so here. Come sit. Persa, come. You go away. Come. Persa, come. This, like this. We're gonna make the challenge with the drums today. It's a little bit difficult. You have to, no, wait, just a second. No. Sit, no, please, come. No, look. No. Princess, go away. Wait a second. Sit. No, let the camera. Persa, sit. Hide, sit, please. Sit. Persa, sit, hide, sit. Bravo. And look, there is the camera. Here is our drum. So, we're gonna do this challenge today. I want to do the challenge with the drums. Princess, go away. We're doing your mother challenge. Come on, girls. Don't show how bad you are in commands. Go away. Princess, go away. So, like that. No, don't touch the camera. No. So, just a second. People, and we just need to follow the rhythms. Yes, and we have to do like this. Princess, you're destroying the video. Go away. So, stay focused, Persa. Look at the camera and smile, okay? Okay, let's try one more time. Okay, you're a heavy girl. So, why you're biting me? No, Princess. Oh Jesus, no. Okay, Persa, go away. Hide. Come, you come. Okay, you want to do the video? Okay, then sit, Princess, sit. Sit, Princess, sit. You also did it. Okay, let's do it with you. But you're gonna follow, okay? Now we need to do like that. And then... Oh God. I don't know how people do this challenge. It is so difficult. Now we have to do this. Oh. Being an influencer with dogs, it's not easy. It is not. It's just not. You have to work hard on it. So you have a good video at the end of the day where the dogs are participating and helping you, and they are present and they do what you tell them to do. Yeah.